Anytime, any place, anywhere. You can call me anytime you're making blondies. Hello, dears. Thank you for joining me on another episode of Me Up Buttercup. Today, I've got a craving for something delicious that's also quick and easy to whip up with ingredients many of us have in our own kitchen. We will be making blondies. These tasty bar treats are the delicious sibling of the well-known brownie, but instead of chocolate, they are flavored mainly with vanilla and brown sugar. Sounds like the perfect treat to me. Let's get started. Let's begin by combining 1 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1½ cups of light brown sugar. I'm using a combination of light and dark brown sugar here, as I enjoy the slightly different flavors that each gives. Whisk these together until they are well combined. Next, we will add in 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Don't you love my new bowls with little handles? Hopefully that means no more dropping things. Stir these all together. In a separate bowl, measure out 2¼ cups of flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk together well. Now we will combine our flour mixture into our sugar mixture. Stirring until just combined. Your mixture is going to be very thick. Who needs to work out when you bake? You'll just have one very strong arm. And this is our basic blondie batter. At this point, you can add in all sorts of different mix-ins: chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, nuts, or candies. I am going simple and adding in 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips to mine. To bake our blondies, we will need a 13 by 9-inch baking pan lined with parchment paper. Spread the batter evenly into the pan. Get in there. Did you know that the original brownie recipe, originating from the late 1800s, contained no chocolate at all? So it was technically more of a blondie recipe. Several years later, brownie recipes began to include chocolate, and the ones without chocolate were called blonde brownies, eventually being shortened to blondies. Neat! Bake these blondies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that's 177 degrees Celsius, for about 23 to 27 minutes, or until the edges are lightly browned and the top is set. Allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before slicing and serving. Gosh, these came together in a snap, didn't they? And they really are just the perfect treat. Soft and chewy with a rich, buttery taste. The addition of white chocolate chips is a lovely choice, complementing the vanilla and butterscotch-like flavor very well. I could easily eat a whole tray of these. Oh my! I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these tasty blondies with me today. Do give them a try at home and be sure to tag me on social media using the hashtag #BakeMeUpButtercup. As always, I couldn't do these videos without the support of my wonderful patrons. Thank you all so very much. If you want to learn more on how to become a patron and help support my channel, check out the link to my Patreon in the description below. Much love to all of you. Until next time. Mwah!